You pick up a spray paint can, and the can has no pressure. You grab a rolled tape, and it fights you coming off the roll. Then the tape won't stick. Then you get the pleasure of throwing unused tape in the trash. You open the paint can, and the paint has skinned on top or totally hardened. You reach for a fresh rag, and there aren't any around. You try to mark a part, and the marker is dry. In each case, nothing serious went wrong. You still know exactly what needs to be done. But now, you're deciding. Do I work around it, substitute something else, or deal with it first? The job hasn't failed, but your attention has been pulled away from the task. Some days in the shop, everything flows. Other days, everything feels difficult, and the work never quite gets going. Consumables are the items that get used up, dry out, or expire over time, whether completely used or not. Rags, tape, abrasives, cleaners, paint, markers, spray cans, sealants. They don't build the project directly, but almost every step depends on them. When they're available, you move from step to step without thinking about it. When they aren't, every step asks a question first. Old paint makes you wait. Bad tape makes you fight with it before letting you down. Having no fresh towels makes you hesitate to touch anything. Dry markers make you stop and do the panic search. After enough of those, the work feels tiring, even though it wasn't difficult. Experienced builders don't just build projects. They manage these interruptions. They replace items before they fail, keep extras close by, and remove reasons to pause. Consumables aren't just supplies. They protect your attention so you can stay focused on the work itself. That's the secret about shop consumables. This video is part of the How a DIY Garage Workshop Actually Works playlist. Thank you for watching. There is more to come.